Power morning everyone! This is Joliver Mapiles. Ngayong araw na ito, ipapakilala ko sa inyo ang isang dating teacher na nagturo sa ibang bansa at ngayon isa ng real estate developer. Siya si Miss Marilu.
One day, while I was working as a special ed teacher in the States, I stumbled upon a pamphlet about real estate investing. It sparked a curiosity within me, and I could not resist exploring this new world. Little did I know that it would change the course of my life. I started attending real estate seminars, reading books, and connecting with experienced professionals in the field. The more I learned, the more I realized that real estate was not just about buying and selling properties. It was about creating communities and shaping the places where people call home. I started my journey as an apartment investor, and I worked with professionals and investors that led me into the world of real estate development. Each day was a new opportunity for growth and learning. I left my home country behind and set off to the United States to pursue my passion as teacher, and fortunately, I was immersed in the real estate industry. I decided to take a leap of faith and pursue my passion for real estate. It was a challenging journey, but I was determined to make my dreams a reality. After years of hard work and dedication, I felt ready to start my own real estate development company. La Contessa was born with a vision to create exceptional spaces that blend modern living with a sense of community. Our goal was to build not just condominiums, but homes for families and investors, for them to create financial freedom through generational wealth and investments. Today, La Contessa Clark stands as a testament to the power of following your dreams. We have successfully developed several residential projects, each one meticulously designed to meet the needs and desires of our residents. From luxurious amenities to sustainable features, we leave no stone unturned in creating spaces that people are proud to call home.
And there we have it, ang napakagandang kwento ng buhay ni Miss Marilu Madalang. Her journey reminds us that willingness and determination to get out of comfort zones will make us successful.
Power morning!